Now we'll show you how to do a sit-up. The same stance as the crunches, but here you will be asking someone to hold your toe in place like this. You can either put your knee or you can hold with your arms. Then you should do the same crunches, but you have to bring all the way up. So you are not just using your abs to pull your body up, you are using also your hip flexor to pull your body all the way up. So observe this. Come on. 1. Very good. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6.